Hello again. In this last video of the Follow Me tutorials for the Bebop 2, we will focus on Magic Dronies, a mode that allows you to make cinema-grade aerial shots very easily. Magic Dronies use advanced GPS and visual tracking technology to turn your video into outstanding dynamic shots. Parrot Bebop 2 has 4 pre-programmed maneuvers in auto-follow mode. To access them, tap this button. The pre-programmed acrobatic screen opens to 4 maneuvers: Orbit, Boomerang, Parabola, and Zenith. To activate one of them, tap on its corresponding icon, Zenith. The drone moves towards the subject, ascends, and then descends. Orbit. The drone circles the subject in one full revolution, 360 degrees. Parabola. The drone flies over the subject in a parabolic trajectory. Boomerang. The drone backs away and then moves towards the subject. You have now completed the Follow Me tutorial series for the Bebop 2. Have a safe flight with your drone. Enjoy and get some great dronies.